Good evening. Well, if it's all been a little bit too cold for you over the last few days, you'll be pleased to hear things are warming up this week. It's pretty chilly under some very stubborn cloud for some today, but that has been breaking up. So it is dry with clear skies through tonight. The breeze will pick up a little bit and a little bit more cloud across northern and western parts later in the night. But for most of us, we'll hold just about above freezing. We might get to 0 in some shelter spots. Now, tomorrow morning, we will wake up to some sunshine at least, some nice blue sky to start the day. You'll see a little bit more cloud again pushing into northern and western parts later on, but more sunshine across southern and eastern areas, and temperatures starting to recover. 5-6 degrees the maximum. Will be approaching double figures later on this week, staying a little bit murky though. Good evening. Well, if the cold has been all a bit too much for you, you'll be pleased to hear that things are warming up later on this week. In fact, we're going to see some warmer air pushing in for some tonight. We've got some clearer skies across the south and the east, more cloud, perhaps a few spots of rain in the north and the west. But under the clearer skies, that's where we'll get the lowest temperatures. But look at the Isle of Man, 9 degrees as a minimum temperature tonight. Now, tomorrow morning, again, some brightness across the south and the east, always more cloud across the north and the west, but that cloud will sink its way southwards as we go through the day, and it will bring in some rain as well across the north and the west. It looks as though temperatures will start to recover, so 6 or 7 inland, 11 degrees across the Isle of Man.